How's it going, everyone? Gideon here with G.T.M Farm. Today I'm bringing you another one of those unusual videos that have nothing really to do with farming, but this is our 2014 Toyota Sienna. We had a little bit of a blowout on one of the tires the other day, but we got brand new, I don't know if you can see it behind the door. We got new tires on the back side here. We just had new tires put on that. And a lot of people don't know where the spare tire is supposed to go in, I don't know if it's in this specific model, but I've heard, I've read some forums online that people are not really sure where they're supposed to keep the tire, so they just keep it in the back of the trunk here. But this van, I don't know about other models, but this model specifically, the 2014, it has a specific place for it, and it's nowhere in the car. And I'm going to show you how to put it back in its correct place right now. So we just popped this side panel off in the right hand side of the trunk, and that is going to have your jack, it's going to have your lug nut breaker bar, and it's going to have your tension bar for jacking up the car. So we're going to grab your jack. And you also, your van, your 2014 Sienna, or maybe other years too, but your 2014 Sienna should come with this little tool here, and it's not for the lug nuts. I'll show you what that's used for. I had a little bit of a brain fart. You actually don't need your jack for this, and you don't need your breaker bar. All you're gonna need is your tension bar. So I am on the passenger side, middle row of seats, so right behind the shotgun seat, and you're gonna want to peel up your carpet right here. It has these little snaps that go underneath the plastic there to hold it down, but it comes off real easy. Just gonna peel that back. There's gonna be this little slot right here. There's some carpet and some foam that are all cut out. You're gonna peel those back, and that's gonna reveal that little bolt right there. That's where this tool comes into play. You're gonna stick that, I'm gonna peel those back and stick that right down there on that piece. And then you're gonna take your tension bar, you're gonna stick that through the eye of that tool, and you're gonna twist it. I think it's lefty loosey, righty tighty, just like normal. So you're gonna twist this until you might hear a clang on the ground, kind of like metal hitting the ground underneath the car, and it's nothing to worry about. I'll show you what that is in just a second. I'm gonna keep twisting this. So as you can see, this little doohickey drops down from underneath the van on this cable, and you're gonna want to keep cranking that crank up there on the floor till you can pull this out, way out onto the ground out here. Okay, so once you get your cable pulled out all the way, you bring your spare tire over. You're gonna lay this down. I'm gonna lay this on top of there, slide it under a little bit, and you're just gonna fish that through the center, just like that, and then just do it till you can't pull it out. It's in there flat like that, but underneath the rim. So now you're gonna shove that under there, and then you're just gonna crank that counterclockwise, righty-tighty. And it's just that easy. Just takes a couple minutes, a little bit of arm strength, some cranking. But yeah, that's pretty much it, how you put your spare tire back in its correct spot. So you're just gonna take your little lug nut tool off, fold your carpet back down, flip that back over. I don't usually snap the carpet into place just because it's a hassle, and it just stays put anyway. So then we're just gonna come back over here and put our tool back in there, put our tension bar in here. And it has a specific way it fits in there, but I'm not gonna fuss with it right this second. So yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was informative. If, you know, some people don't know, you know, how that stuff works. So if I can help anyone out in that regard, I'm glad that I did. So we thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.